This is alphabet A. A for apple. A for apple. After A, alphabet will be B. Here will be alphabet B. This is alphabet B. B for ball. B for ball. After B will be C. This is alphabet C. C for cat. C for cat. After C will be D. This is alphabet D. D for dog. D for dog. After D will be E. Here is alphabet will be E. This is alphabet E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. After E, alphabet will be F. F. F for fish. F for fish. After F will be alphabet G. G. This is alphabet G. G. G for God. G for God. Here is will be G. G for God. After G, alphabet will be H. H. This is alphabet H. H for hand. H for hand. After H will be I. Alphabet I. This is alphabet I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. After I, alphabet will be J. J. This is alphabet J. J. J for jog. J for jog. Here is will be letter J. After J will be K. Alphabet K. This is alphabet K. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. After K will be L. Alphabet L. This is alphabet L. L for lion. L for lion. L. After L will be alphabet M. M. This is alphabet M. M for monkey. M for monkey. After M will be alphabet N. This is alphabet N. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. After N, alphabet will be O. This one alphabet O. O. O for orange. O for orange. O. After O will be P. Alphabet P. P for peacock. P for peacock. After P will be Q. Q. This is alphabet Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. After Q, R. R. This is alphabet R. R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. After R will be S. 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 This is alphabet S. S for sun. S for sun. After S, alphabet will be T. This is alphabet T. T. T for telephone. T. After T will be U. U. This is alphabet U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Here is will be U. After U will be V. V. This is alphabet V. V for fan. V for fan. After V, alphabet will be W. This is alphabet W. W for watch. W for watch. After W will be X. X, alphabet X. This one alphabet X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. After X will be Y. Y. This one alphabet Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. After Y will be Z. This is alphabet Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.